Here's a test of the Turtle Wax Bug and Tar Remover. As you can see, I have a white car. It's a white Buick Enclave with a kind of a metallic finish in it. The problem here in Indiana is road tar from the roads and, of course, bugs like everybody has. You can wash your car as many times as you want and you can scrub it with soap and water, but it just doesn't come off with road tar. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to spray it on the car. I'm going to spray the car, let it sit for a minute, and then try to wipe it off like it says. To point out, it's about 60, 62 degrees out here, so it's not a really hot day. Here we go. You can see it's coming out. It's foaming on top of the tar. I'm just going to hit these 3 spots or 4 spots and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to let it sit for a minute. It's been about a minute, and you can see here the foam is slid down from the spot. It says to use a soft terry cloth type rag, which is what I've got here. And you can see I'm wiping the tar, and it's just literally wiping right off the car. So I mean, it's just dissolved it. You can see it came immediately off. I was impressed with how the device spray foamed. I didn't expect the foam to be as thick as it was, and that helped to hold it into place to remove. And now you can see I'm even removing some really small spots without even really soaking them. It's just rubbing them off. So it's taken off the tar pretty quickly. Here's a spot right here, and it just wiped it right off. So if you let it sit for a minute or so, it really does a good job. You can see that the tar on the rag there, the dirty spots, it just wiped it right off. It has to take a soft rag. I've just got a shop rag here and wipe off the vehicle, and you can see it just wiping right off. Even the spots that are just the small ones, I didn't even soak them and they're wiping right off. So it really cleaned the car nicely. Yeah, it left a nice wax look of a finish on the car. I wanted to show that this is the seal around the door. It is rubber. This product contains petroleum distillates, and it says it's good for use on painted surfaces and glass, but petroleum will dissolve rubber. So be careful if you have any overspray. You don't spray the trims of your door, for example, like this, or your wipers. Got some bugs that have hit the car here on the front, and over here on the front, down here you can see some. I'm going to spray several of those and see if I can take them off pretty easily. With the bugs, you can see I had a big spot here, and they basically came off. I mean, they're a little bit harder than the tar because you got the hard carapace of the bug. But as you come around, you can see all these bug spots. There was a little blood spot there. It came right off. Here's one down here, and it came right off. Here's another one here, and one below it. We'll see what we got there. Yeah, they're wiping right off. So here's even some I didn't spray, and I'm using the foam, and it's just taking them right off. So it's coming off pretty easy. Here's a tough one right here I need to get at. But as you can see, it's cleaning the bugs. It's cleaned the tar right off. And even the small ones, I don't even have to spray. I can just wipe them with a rag with some foam on it, and it's taken them right off. To wipe the excess off with a soft rag, kind of buffs it out a little bit, gets the excess off of your car. And as you can see, it just wipes right off, and you can't even tell there's anything there. You can see the job on the car. There were some big bugs right here. They're all gone. And the Turtle Bug and Tar Remover worked perfectly. I'm going to have to give it a 5-star. I didn't have the trouble that other people say they have. It took the tar and bugs right off. I even like the fact that it foams and sticks on the spot so you can let it soak. It says to use it more when it's cooler. It works better. And like I said, it's 60, 65 degrees. I had no trouble at all. This review is done by jjceo.